Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey. I hope everyone is doing well on today. I am here to share with you another hot job lead. Now, before we get started, when I say the links to every job is in the description box below, this is exactly what I mean here, okay? Just to show you. So once you're on that desired video, you will scroll here. When you see more, click on more. And now here's the links to the video. You will go here, online job links, and go ahead and click on the link that you desire to apply for. Okay, I will have the name of the company, the description of the job, not the description, but the name of the job or the title, and then the pay if the pay is available. All right, so just want to show you how to navigate through the YouTube on that. Okay, we're going to start off with a scripture. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, Philippians 4:13. So hey everyone. Today we're actually I'm going to reply back with a job description that I feel is in this area because I had someone reach out to me, and this is what the comment was. It was, I am looking for a worldwide work from home job and I haven't found it yet. None phone, no experience with training that pays Social Security and has a good health insurance. I live in Puerto Rico, bilingual English and Spanish. Data entry. All right, so I feel like I have found something that's in this area. So this is a job topic that I will actually be discussing on today. Okay, and also leave your comments because, like I said, I do go and read them. So leave your comments on what you want me to discuss, and your comment may be the highlighted choice of the day. Okay.
Okay, hi guys. So this is with ShareCare and it's a data specialist position. Okay, and it's full time, of course, to work from home. It's a leading digital health company that helps people no matter where they are in their health journey. Okay. Then you have the job summary. The responsibilities include entering patient information into our software program, and it will involve assessing various electronic medical record systems, looking for a candidate who can type 50 words per minute. Okay, this is a remote position, and you can work anywhere in the United States. You have your essential functions, okay, accurately entering patient information into our software system, provide a high level of customer care, requirements and the qualifications for this position, experience in the medical records office environment, helpful but not required, will train, okay, extremely reliable, detail-oriented is a must. The locations, again, it's United States, so don't worry about that North Carolina portion because it's remote. If you're interested in applying for the position, go ahead and click the Apply Now button at the top right, and good luck to those who apply. See you in my next video. For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1 minute test and you will hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results.
I see how I got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works, and this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.